Hello everyone! Let me show you how to make a paper notebook without glue. We'll make such notebooks only from one sheet of paper. By the way, if you want me to say hello to you and your comments appears in the next video, then just write in the comments: "Hi, my name is so and so, tell me hello in the next video." Okay? We begin to make a notebook from one sheet of paper. Take A4 sheet, fold it in half along a vertical line. Fix the crease well. Fold it in half again. Unfold it. You should have 3 creases on this sheet. Fold the sheet in half but horizontally. Fold it in half again. Unfold. That's what you should get. Fold it in half. Make cuts along this strip. Cut to this line. Now we need to cut these center rectangles. Unfold the paper. Bend the rectangles from the center. Do you see? This blank is very similar to a paper house with windows. Turn the paper over. Fold the tear along the crease. Fold the tear along the top crease. Fold it in half. We must get a hole in the center. And now fold it like this. Fold the notebook in half along this crease. Here's what you should get. Take a marker pen and draw a beautiful cover on our paper notebook. Draw eyes first. And paint the sparkle in eyes. Paint the eyes with black. and draw the mouse. The notebook will smile sweetly to us. Paint the tone. Also draw pink cheeks for our funny paper notebook. You can make a lot of different notebooks with other kawaii faces. Take a photo of your notebooks and share it on social media with the tag Helpful Arts and Crafts. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Come to the channel more often. I think you will find a lot of interesting things for yourself here.